Hello, good. We're going to answer some of your questions and then we're going to settle this question. So let's get into questions because this question of TPS is coming all the time. And let's get to your questions now. Jimmy Chill, my question today. I filed for TPS and I got it, but I received it last month. It'll be expiring January 20. You think I will have it an automatic renewal? No, Chills. You are USCIS, you have to pay fees again. So if you file, let's say for example, you file under Haiti, right? And then you have to wait when they extend it. They're gonna give an announcement that they're gonna extend. Once they extend it, then they give the announcement, then you file for renewal. You pay again the fees for work permit, again the fees for TPS. It's not gonna automatically renew. You have to apply for it. Jimmy Gilles, I hope you got the question. Okay, I live in India. My husband is a permanent resident in the US, more than 2 years, approximately 2 years and 8 months, but my interview not yet. You would like to tell me which visa I get conditional for 5 years. Okay, your husband is a lawful permanent resident, okay? Depending on how long you've been married, or depending on how long you've been married prior to filing for the I-130 petition. If you've been married for more than 2 years prior to file the I-130 petition, you will get the 10 years, right? But if you've been married less than 2 years prior to file the I-130 petition, you get conditional green card. That's the answer to that one. Bamidele, can I apply for asylum after living in the US for more than 10 years? Wow, Bamidele, why you never apply early? So the answer is yes, you can, but very challenging case, which I strongly advise that you don't, because it's going to be challenging. First of all, you are applying late. You have to tell them why are you applying late, okay? You have to tell them that you are applying late. What are the reasons? Exceptional or extraordinary circumstances that prevented you from applying late. For example, some people say my child was in a coma, so I was taking care of my child for the past 10 years. So I couldn't apply because I wasn't in the right frame of mind, no time, because I was really like at my child's bed at the hospital, seriously sick for the past 10 years. And most of the time, if it's really true and you have documentation, then you can apply. But if you do not have any extraordinary circumstances beyond your control that prevented you from applying earlier, then this case is just gonna go to remove. It's just gonna get denied, pretty much. So that's my answer. Okay, Jimmy Jill, your second question. Okay, how may I know when my you will never know. Jimmy Jill, you will never know, because people have been waiting for those asylums since 2014. They haven't been taking interviews since cases from 2014. Then when Trump came into power, they start taking new cases like 2017, 2018. But you will never know. Yeah, you will never know. You just wait for them. You can call them if you want to, but you can wait for them, or you can sue them if it's more than 4 years. Good luck with that. But that's your right. You can sue them if they're not giving you an answer for more than four years. Yeah, you can sue them. I have TPS cases pending. What do I need to get a travel document? Yeah, you have to file I-131 under old parole, advanced parole rule, because remember what I said, what I said is that people, as of July 1st, right, people who already had TPS and their TPS was valid, they will automatically send them the travel document. people who have TPS pending and application for advance parole pending, they don't have to do anything. They will pretty much change that application to a travel document application. And then lastly, in your case, if you don't have I-131 pending, which is application for a travel document or advance parole, you have to apply for it under all the rule of advance parole. So in conclusion, you just have to file I-130 to request a travel document. That's it. That's what you have to do. Yeah, WHAM. Let's start with WHAM. WHAM, if it's been 2 years, 2 years and 8 months, the law says that they have to give you, prior to you applying, right, for I-130, then they have to give you 10-year green card. Okay? But sometimes you never know USCIS what can happen, but that's the general rule. Mido, hi, Dido. Your son is 28 years old. Oh, yeah. Elena, if your son is 28 years and older, those are the petition that takes, because the son becomes adult child for U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident, it takes forever. That's just, if you're really waiting for that, it takes forever. The only thing you can do is wait, or if he can get here by other means, like student, F1 student. So, but if it's just the petition on the family base, it's going to take for a long time. Lucy, your husband is, okay. Well, domestic violence. Did the ex-wife press charges? If the ex-wife didn't press charges, then you should be fine. If they press charges, maybe they can ask for a waiver. You can ask for a waiver. Yeah, the waiver, if there's charge, if it's just one criminal offense, ask for a waiver. Most of the time they get it, he might get forgiven. If there's no more than one time, right? If it's like more than 1 or 2, 3 times, then it becomes a problem. So that's what I can say. If my fiance is receiving disability, he can petition me or ever. If your fiance is getting disability, what's going to happen is he can show his income, but you have to show your income and somebody else's income as well, because you really have to meet the income requirement. Otherwise, they're going to deny it for public charge reasons. Okay. Every image, you need to watch this video from the beginning. In order to adjust status, you have to have an underlining petition. If you don't have any family-based or employment-based or any other petition approved, you just cannot adjust status on TPS alone. That's not how it works. You have to watch this video from the beginning, okay? If you're receiving threats, maybe it's time for you to file for VAWA. Yeah, I've talked about VAWA before. Please check my other videos. If you qualify for VAWA, it's time for you to file for VAWA. How can I reach you? This is my email, right? If you're asking for consultation, just know that I charge for consultation. This is my email. Email me so we can schedule you for a consultation, okay? That's my email. If you have more questions, please leave it in the comment. Please share this video. We'll try to cut off that part, and hopefully we can. And then until next time, bye-bye.